All right, wonderful people of Zion all over the world. We are here live at the happening place at the moment, which is Johannesburg Expo Center. We're live here at NASREC, Johannesburg Expo Center. As you can see, work is ongoing, and these are the sound engineer. They just finished. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm very fine. Can you tell us your name, the company you work for?
My name is Ike. I'm working for Sound Headquarters.
Sound Headquarters, Kampa.
Yes.
Okay, and what are you guys into?
We're doing AV, we're doing screens, LED, and then we're gonna do P6 on this stage.
PC on the stage.
Yeah, P3 on the stage.
Okay.
P10 in front of the stage.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. I'm going to get back to you soon. So, guys, as you can see, this is the happening place. This is the Crusade Arena. As you can see, the work is currently ongoing. Remember, I promised wonderful Zionite all over the world that I will be giving you all great updates from time to time on this crusade. So, as you can see, this is an extra space for the overflow, and I'm going to take you guys around. This place is really, really big. It's really, really big, trust me. So over there too, people can stay there, and over there as well. So this is the NASREC Center, and of course the parking spaces, and the security here is really, really tight and top notch. You can't just come inside here. Before you come in, you would have to be properly checked in. So I will just take you all to where the work is going on before I go around. So do well to drop your questions. Whatever thing you want to ask, we are here to answer. You can even see this is a caution signage, drop edge, so people don't fall down unexpectedly and injure. So let's go around and talk to a few persons but okay, let's go meet the LED engineers. So wonderful people, remember the date is 29th to 30th of March 2025. So where will you rather be on Saturday and Sunday this weekend if it's not in Johannesburg Expo Center, NASREC? It's going to be great. It's going to be extraordinary. It's going to be marvelous. Thank you so much. All right, engineers, good afternoon. This is almost 3 o'clock. Yes. All right. Can you tell us what you guys are doing? What are these? The LED screen? Okay, like how many screens are we gonna be, and where will they be?
No, we're gonna have a screen there on the side of the stage.
Okay.
Left side of the stage. There is another side on the right side of the stage, and you're gonna have a screen in the back of the front of this house.
Front of the house? Which front of the house? Okay, here?
Yeah, there in the back, in front of the house.
Okay. So there won't be any LED around here?
No, there's no
Oh, sorry. Okay, so like how many LED in total are we talking about?
We still have a lot, because even in a stage also we still have a LED stage.
So that means even if people are staying at this area here where I'm showing the camera, they will be able to watch the LED screen.
They will see, it shows you the high definition picture.
All right. Yeah. So sir, do you have any other thing to say concerning this? How soon will you guys be done with this setup?
Very soon.
Because the program is in 2 days time, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we have barely 48 hours to this program.
Now we'll try to be fast.
Will it be done today so we can at least test run it and see, because we need to test run and be sure that everything is working perfectly and in place. It's gonna be
Everything's gonna be right.
okay before the end of work close today. All right. So how many LED screens? I didn't get the other young man the number of screens.
I can say I'm not 100% sure about that other side. But
Okay.
here in house we have almost maybe I'm not sure about the number. What is going to be left
Okay. For what? Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's gonna be ready by 4. This is almost 3 o'clock. Are you telling me it's gonna be ready before 1 hour?
Yeah.
You sure it's gonna? You're giving our fans the assurance that it's gonna be ready before 1 hour.
Yeah.
You set up all these big boxes I'm seeing here. Look at the wonderful boxes here, Zionite. You said it's gonna be ready before 1 hour.
Yeah.
No, I don't believe you, sir. I don't believe it's ready.
1 hour was more.
1 hour?
It's even more.
Aha.
Yeah.
All right. There's no problem. If you said it's gonna be 1 hour, then we're gonna stick with the 1 hour. But just keep on doing the good work. Thank you and God bless you. All right. As you heard from the engineers, that is gonna take them 1 hour to set up the LED screen. As you can see, work is still ongoing. Work is still. Please, wonderful people, do well to share. Well done. Do well to share. Do well to follow. Do well to subscribe to all Zion platforms, Zion Prayer Movement Outreach verified, Seraphic TV verified, and Evangelist Ebuka Obi verified. So please do well to share, and share. Wonderful people all over the world. Good afternoon, engineers. Good afternoon. Kindly tell us your name and
I don't understand English.
Oh, you don't understand English? Okay, you two don't understand English. Oh, so sorry. All right. Okay, let's keep going. Good afternoon, sir. Can you tell us your name and where you're from?
Okay, my name is Kenneth Onika.
Okay.
I'm a Zionite. I reside in South Africa.
You reside in South Africa. That's really wonderful. So how has the preparation been going so far?
Actually, it has not been easy, but we are doing it because we really wanted our spiritual father to come here and bless us and come here for him to resuscitate us,
Yeah.
to revive us,
Yeah.
so that we know the Christ in us, the fire of the Christ in us will keep on burning.
That's wonderful. Sir, you speak South African. Are you South African or you're Igbo?
No, I'm an Igbo.
Sorry, I didn't get your name again.
I'm Udonze Kenneth Onika.
Okay, you speak. Okay. Sorry. Okay, continue. Thank you.
Maybe because I've been here long.
Oh wow, that's so. How are you guys preparing for the coming of our spiritual director?
Wow, we are
For
excited.
this crusade.
We are excited. As you can see, we've been here since morning, and we've been trying to make sure that everything will get set so that when our spiritual director will be here, he will be happy to see that yes, we really deserve him coming here, because if you can see, we are just lucky, and he chose to come to South Africa first.
But this place is looking small to me.
Yes, we've thought about that. It's small, a kind of, but never mind. I think this is the first of its kind.
Okay.
And we believe in the next time our spiritual director will be here, it's going to be something difficult.
Because the amount of crowd that are going to come here, are you sure it's going to be enough? This place will be enough for them? Are you sure it's going to be enough for them? So
Yeah,
sorry.
Like I've said earlier on, yes, we've given it a thought, like from the usual crowd
Yeah.
used to see in Zion Grand in Nigeria.
Yeah.
This is very small, and with the hunger and the people who wants to see our spiritual director,
Yeah.
and we need a touch of God from him. So we believe that here is small. We see to that, but until we can't just say anything and we are also happy because there are still other spaces.
Okay. So this whole space is up here.
Yes, in case I think we can extend to that. The most important thing, we want to get the crusade going.
So how soon will the stages be done? Because as I can see the stage at the moment, though they've been mounted. Okay. Well.
Yeah, coming to the stage, you see the people handling the stage, they are professionals. They know about it.
Yeah, I can see that.
If they cannot finish it before the time, they will tell you. Because they're in South Africa, someone can see you because of that.
Because thank God we were live, because your engineers for the LED, they told us that there will be the LED screens will be ready by 4 o'clock, and we have barely 1 hour 5 minutes to 4.
They're working towards it.
So I hope they will keep to their words.
I am telling you, here in South Africa, as long as there is an agreement,
Okay, as you say so, sir, we're going to stick to the agreement. So the LED screens will be ready before 4 o'clock or by 4 o'clock latest. Thank you and God bless you.
God bless you too. Thank you.
Oh my God, look at that. Okay, wonderful people. Let's keep going around. Okay, these are the LED screens. They've been laid out already for partitioning and yeah. Okay, let's keep going around. Let's see if we can meet with the committees in charge. Let's see if we can meet with the committees in charge. So wonderful people. These are. Oh, they are eating. That's wonderful. Okay, let's keep moving. So these are our team from Nigeria. Good afternoon, sir. Joburg City FC. Can you tell us your name, where you're from, and if you're in any group in Zion, just kindly let us know.
My name is Paul Eze. My name is Paul Eze.
Okay.
And I'm from Nigeria.
Okay.
I'm a Zionite and
Where in Nigeria, sir?
I'm from Enugu State.
Enugu State. Okay.
I'm a Zionite and I'm in a Gallant Men group.
All right. So, sir, kindly tell us, give us a little update on what is going on because we just came here a few hours ago and we made all this whole setup. So, kindly give us a snippet of what have been put in place and what is yet to be done.
As you can see, we are here preparing for the coming of our spiritual director for the upcoming crusade next tomorrow. And we are hoping God that this crusade will be a blessing to all of us. That's why you see us here. Getting this ready.
So, as the security personnel in South African team, what? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, wonderful people, wonderful team from Nigeria. Oh, I saw someone. Okay, let's keep moving. Okay, I can see the world leader here. She's here already. Such a wonderful and a proactive leader. Such a proactive leader. Good afternoon, ma.
Thank you, sir. I was there.
Very fine, ma. Can you tell us your name? You're from?
Okay, my name is JP. I'm from also local government area in Imo State. I reside in the UK and I am privileged to be the Zion leader of leaders worldwide.
Wow.
And we're in South Africa, the South African Crusade 2025. This will be held this weekend, 29th and 30th of March 2025, here at the Expo Center in Nasrec, Johannesburg, South Africa.
Okay. So, ma, what can you say about the whole setup so far going on with regards to crusade?
I'm sure you've gone around with your camera.
Yes,
We're
ma'am.
getting there. If you come, the stage team have promised you everything will be ready by the end of the day. Whatever they can't finish today will be done by 2 p.m. tomorrow. So I'm very confident and I trust what they're doing here. It's going to be a fantastic event.
I believe so.
I can feel it.
All right,
We
ma.
are feeling it.
So, ma, what can you say to the Zion UK and Zionite all over the world as the world leader? What can you say to Zionite all over the world?
I'm here. Where are you? I am waiting. The team from Lagos is here. As we collect is going to be here. Please God. We're all here. We're waiting.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. Good afternoon, sir.
Ma'am.
Yeah, kindly introduce yourself. Tell us who you are.
My name is Joseph Bambo. I'm one of the admin of South Africa. I'm originally from Cameroon.
Oh, wow.
So I'm here, I came here with our so she can inspect everything that's going on here. So we are ready for 2025 South Africa. We're in Nazareth South.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what can you say about the whole planning, the whole setting up? Because we have barely 1 day to go.
Yeah, the planning and the setup is going off faster and progressively, and it's very promising. You can see now we're almost there.
Let me give my fans, my wonderful fans, a view, so you can see. Don't worry, I'm going to give you guys a full tour of this place. This place is extremely big. It's going to take me about.
Yeah, it's quite a beautiful place. Very big parking space. It's exposed good. Security-wise, good as well. So we have a good place that even if this is finished, there'll be space for more people around there.
Yeah.
And also in the overflow. So yeah, so we are ready for 2025.
Oh wow! Thank you so much, sir, and God bless you. You are
Joseph Wambo.
Wambo, South
Cameroon.
African admin from Cameroon. God bless you, sir.
Cameroon.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
you're Cameroonian.
I'm a South African admin, but I'm from Cameroon.
Oh, wonderful. Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Can you tell us your name?
Okay, my name is Titus Obi. I'm a security member.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're from where, sir?
I'm from Imo State, Nigeria.
Okay, and you're based in...
I'm based here in Joburg.
All right. So, sir, what can you say about the whole setting up going on? Give us an update. Give us a briefing.
Yeah, since morning, we are here since 8 o'clock in the morning and make sure that everything is being set according to the way the crusade is going to be taking place. So as you can see by yourself, you see everybody now, everybody is busy, nobody relax, and make sure that everything works very well so that our visitors, our members, when they come, they can relax nicely and receive their blessing.
Okay. You are the security personnel.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Can you tell us your name and where you're from?
Okay, my name is Martin Ekeledo.
Okay.
I'm from Imo State.
Okay. And you are
I'm the vice chairman of the committee.
okay of the South African committee.
Yes.
So, sir, what we are seeing here is not what we're actually really expecting. What can you say about that?
As you can see, everything is going well. So everything is going very well. At least you are here. So everything is going well.
I'm here. I have my own work to do.
So everything is going well.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, and God bless you. Okay, so wonderful people. You can see the work is ongoing. The stages have been set. The LED screens are actually on ground, and the engineers are working tirelessly. As you can see, the sound speakers are here already as well. Let me give you guys a wonderful view. You can see the sound speakers. You can see the sound. They are still actually installing it. These are really good professionals. I can see a lot of construction ongoing. You can see work is currently on. Let me give you all a wonderful tour of the stages have been set, which is good. However, we are expecting the engineers for the camera, the video to. I'm here to see the work ongoing for that area, but it's good. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How do they say good afternoon in South Africa, sir?
Sambolani.
Sambolani, sir. Okay, so tell us your name and where you're from.
I'm also a member of the committee, planning committee.
All right. So, sir, we can see the whole construction going on, and Zion all over the world, they are eager. They are eager to see and know what has been ongoing and how prepared we are for this crusade.
Okay, as you can see, you've said it all. Looking at the environment is lovely already. And you don't need one to tell you that we are ready and we are waiting for other members to join us here.
Okay. So how prepared are you for the coming of our spiritual director very soon?
You say 100%.
100%.
Scale of 1 to 100.
Scale of okay. Some of our fans are saying the space is very, very small. Oh.
No. You mustn't look at it like that. You're looking at the staircase there.
Okay.
People can sit there.
Okay.
And apart from that, the other side, people can still sit there. We
Okay.
have a lot
On
of
the
seats over
on
there.
that high hill there.
Yes. We are permitted to sit there.
Okay.
And all around this place, people are like,
Okay, wonderful people. So according to our wonderful admin, Mr. Adimora, he said the space, you should ignore the space here. It's going to be more than enough. So I'm going to give you all a tour around the whole Nazareth Center for you to see how big is it. So don't worry. If you go around and you can see the okay, a lot of what?
seats. The chairs are there.
Oh, okay, I can see the chairs there. You can see the chairs over there. Okay, that's one. You can see the chairs over there stacked. So you can see the professionals.
They are busy doing what they know how to do.
This is wonderful. This is really
This
wonderful.
is going to be the best in Africa.
Okay, can I speak to the engineers in charge of this stage? How do I climb up? How can I climb up?
Sean.
Can I climb up this
Sean.
thing?
Yeah, just come.
This is a very powerful program going on South Africa. So wherever you are in South Africa, you need to attend this program. You need to attend this program. When you attend this program with all your heart, you will not remain the same.